Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Ethan. Today I will introduce a USB cable for, you can see, a USB cable for K22 and K27 Smartwatch for you. Yes, this is the smartwatch pattern. Have you see? Yes, today I will introduce this USB cable, yes, for this smartwatch for you. As you can see, this packaging is very simple. Yes, very simple. Let me open it. Okay, you can see it is two-pin magnetic. Okay, and the length about 16 centimeter. Yes, you can see this is the USB. Okay, let me test it for you. Very strong, magnetic, very strong. Let me charge him. Okay, it is charging. You can see it is charging. Charging. Okay, great. If you want this USB cable, you can click below our Amazon buy link to buy. Thank you so much.